Okay, here's another automations on how to quickly select all the valves, pipe accessories, fittings to resize according to the pipes sizing. So for example, in this uh, here, in this example, this is actually the connection to the fan coil unit, okay, FCU. So these are the valves for the hydronic system. So you have here the flexible coupling, thermometer, pressure gauge, gate valve, then strainer, then gate valve again, then strainer. So this is the setup typical connection for the FCU valves. So this is the input and output, and this is for the main connection, this part here. This one is PICV. So I customize also this one to automate. So this one will, let's say the sizing will change to 15 or 10, then we can easily resize all and select all the valves, and it will automatically resize according to the size of the pipe. Okay, so in this example, I use this one. This one, you don't have to tag this one because we already update the lookup table. So in here, if you see this sample, this one, this PICV, when I tag this one, no need to place a type mark or tagging to this one. Automatic because we already place it here, okay, in the lookup table. So the sizing also is already there, okay. So, okay, so I think just go here. Let's say, well, the pipe will be around 20 only, not 25 for certain project you use. So let's resize this one. So the normal resizing, you select this one and then go to 20. That's the normal sizing. Then there's some error there for the pipe transition because there's no space. So that's why you have some troubles. So you have to expand again or offset the distance for this gate valve and then PICV. So to eliminate all those processes, so what you have to do is you select directly all these valves here and pipe fittings and pipes to change into a 20 millimeter pipe, including the flexible coupling and the thermometer. So if I just hide this one, temporary, hide, okay, then I will just select all of them together and then change to 20. So no problem, it will change all the piping. Then if I turn on the annotation now for the sizing, it's now 20. The sizing with this one's 20 also. Okay, so that's the advantage if you have a lookup table, automated parametric families. So if you can apply this one to multiple projects, you just grab all these groups of valves or section of the FCU valves connection, just copy this one and then paste to another project. So it will automate for this one. So let's say I'm going to change again this one to 15. I think I set the limit of these valves to 15. So when I select this one, change again to the sizing to 15, it will change again. So if I select this one, but to let's say bigger, 50, it will have some error because of the sizing of the lookup table that I set is there's no sizing 50. Some of these valves. So let's try to 50. So you see, it will have error also, and the spacing also. Spacing of and the spacing also of gap here, the pipe, when you change to 50, it will clash already. But let's say some of these valves and connection, let's say I've copied this one, okay, it's similar. And then just place here. Copy. So this one, let's say I will size this one to 32, 40, 50, 65, and then this one, let's see, 100. So just an example. So the setting of some of this valve is automatic or parametric. So just place it here. So let's say for this one is just you can use only for around 15 to 25. But for this check valve, you can use this, sorry, a strainer and then gate valve, you can use up to 65. So example, this one. I think I already made some example of this. Gate valve, set. Okay. So I think this one. What size is one? 32. So where's the 60, 65? 50 only. So up to here only for the sizing. So up to 50 range of the sizing. This one. This one also up to 50 also. This one, this one, this one. So more than that, you have to use another family. So again, so let's say this one, I size this one up to 300, the flexible coupling. So if I select this one, it will resize according to the size of the pipes. This one is, make it, this one I think it's better make it 300, the biggest one that I set the sizing. 300. And then place it here. And then just select this one. And then place. So, sorry. See, that's the biggest one. So if you have this family, then it's much easier to model. Then let's say we create new project. I will just create new project. Okay. Metric. When you have ready that one, then you just grab all these families here, this group, then paste to the project. This one with the 3D up, paste. Okay. Fine shader. So more or less it will get all the settings of the pipe. So currently the sizing of the pipe is 50. So if we try to select again to 25, it will change. Okay. So yeah, that's some of the applications to how to copy a portion of that section that you place the valves, all the typical valves into the fan coil unit. So it's not limited to fan coil unit. If you have also like fire pumps, water pumps like that, you can customize and create like this as long as you have the parametric and lookup table linked to it. Okay, so I think that's all for this presentations for this valves automation. So again, it's better if you are a team leader or manager, you have a template already. So if you have all the templates that it will automate, then your team will much easier for your team to model, to work in the project same time. Okay, then less stress also because you have already some automations on the valves connections. It's much faster now. So I'm trying to combine now the mechanical. So this is all automate. If you select this one, this is all parametric and with lookup table. It will resize according to the linked parameter like cooling capacity or flow. So similar for this air terminal. Okay, so the next one I will paste here is that these groupings of these valves. There's this one. Is this a new project? This one? This one. So yeah, this one. Again, if you turn on the sizing, you have all the sizing here. So again, no need to create because taggings, because it's already predefined in the lookup table. So just directly over it, tag. See. So when you select this one, so this is the tag in the lookup table. If this is type mark, if you place a flexible coupling also, it will be duplicate already. So we eliminate the type marking already. So that's the advantage of this one. So if you link together all your previous experience, previous projects, link all the information and make it integrate it together, then it will be the output of your template will, or next project will be like this, already integrated informations, metadata, parameters. Okay. So I think that's it for this presentation. So I hope the rest of the team leaders and managers will have create similar like this template. Okay. So if you have trouble creating this template, you can contact me, message me directly, and we can have a one-on-one training tutorial for this one. Okay, that's it. Thank you.